AVP Global School, your child's first step towards 21st century education. Learn with joy and learn more and more. Hey children, welcome back to class 3 online session. Hope all of you are doing good at home. We are continuing our lesson number 2. Let us see what is about to discuss today. Have you ever thought of how are the younger one of animals born? A question to be thought. And then, have you ever thought, why doesn't a cat produce a dog? Yes, let us get the answers for these questions in today's discussion. Let us see them. How are babies actually produced? Do you have an idea? Yes, we'll see what is it. Before getting into that, let us see some of the animals with their younger one. Tigress gives birth to cubs. Rabbit produces kitten. Dogs produce puppies. Whereas ducks produce ducklings. And elephant produces calf. A plant produces a seed which develops into a sapling when planted. And then humans produce babies. Yes, but how are all these animals produced? By the process of reproduction. Are you shocked? What is reproduction? It is very easy. Reproduction is producing the younger one which is similar to them. A tiger produces a younger tiger, whereas a tiger never produces a duckling. No, it produces younger one which looks like it. And the same with elephant. Elephant produces a calf, but an elephant never produces babies or puppies. So, producing younger one by the parents. It may be a plant, it may be a tiger, or it may be a duck or anything. Producing younger one by parent is called reproduction. So, all the babies are produced by the process of reproduction. And who can produce babies? Can a computer produce babies? No. Can a spectacles produce babies? No, because they are non-living things, whereas all the above mentioned animals are living things. So they produce the younger one by the process of reproduction. In the similar way, each animal will produce their own younger one and it will be named different. Cat also produces cats, which we call as kitten. In the same way, each animal will have its own different name. Hope now you are better with this. And then, very important topic of this lesson. How are plants and animals dependent on each other? Yes, they are actually dependent on each other. But how are they depending on each other? Let's just see. It's a tree. Good. Tree provides us food to eat. Does it produces only to us, only to human beings? No, it produces to all the living organisms. Like plant produces food and that is consumed by some animal, maybe giraffe or a donkey or something. And then it is again eaten by a tiger or a cheetah or a leopard. So ultimately the energy which leopard is getting is from the plant. In a similar way, plant produces food and that is eaten by a cow, for example. And we drink milk every day. So the milk obtained from the cow is drinking by is drunken by a human being. So ultimately, who is providing the energy? Plants. And plant is providing for all the living organisms. Then what else does it do? Yes, as it is providing food, preparing food, it is called as producers. They are giving food, they are making food. So they are called as producers. And we are taking the food. So what are we called? We are called as consumers. Plants make the food, so they are called producers. We are taking the food made by plants, so we are called consumers. Hmm. And what else are the uses? Plants provide shelter for different kind of animals in hot weather, in rainy season, or a normal day. It provides shelter for different kind of animals. Then it also gives out oxygen to breathe. Oxygen produced by plants is taken by animals. Not only monkey, all the animals or all the living beings on the earth need oxygen to live, which is produced by plants. And again, we give carbon dioxide out, which is taken by the tree. That means in the environment, oxygen and carbon dioxide levels are maintained with the help of trees. If there are no trees, the level of oxygen and carbon dioxide couldn't be balanced and we couldn't live on the earth. So, it is very important for us to plant a saplings and grow it into a tree. And also, it is very important for us to remember all this use of plants. Hope you are clear with these topics and we are completed with the lesson. Let us see what we have next. It's a time for homework. A picture is given here with some numbers. Copy this image in the paint. You can try to join all the dots. Starting from 1, consider where it is. I don't exactly see it is. Yes, from here, keep joining the numbers and then find out what is the animal and also what is the name of younger one of this animal. Find out. Then homework number 2. The same again. Find out, instead of numbers here alphabets are given. So according the alphabetical order, join first A, B, and then C in the same way. Join all the alphabets, then you get the figure. Find out the animal and also what is the name of its younger one called. Hope you enjoyed today's class. We'll meet in the next session with new, more interesting discussions. Thank you.